Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you the only porridge you are going to make for your husband and the only porridge he is going to want to drink. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. So these are the list of the incredible ingredients and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. We have green banana, we have beets, you guys already know. We have oats, nuts, milk, cinnamon, agave. You can use sugar for sweetener if you like. So to my pot I'll be adding some water and some milk. I'm using carnation. Then we are going to add our cinnamon sticks, some cloves, some good vanilla extract, and some nutmeg. So we're going to add our beets to this bullet blender here. Then we're going in with our green bananas. We're going to add some rolled oats, some nuts. I did add some seamoss, water, and blend, and this is what it looks like. Then after you would have, you're going to bring that milk mixture to a boil. You're going to pour the mixture in here, and you're going to stir until it becomes thick like this. I mean, if you need it thinner, you can add more milk or water, your choice, based on the consistency you desire. All right, looks amazing. And you are going to serve after about 25 minutes, maybe about 20 to 25 minutes on low heat. You pour some milk, some agave, sugar sweetened to your likeness and taste, and honey. You guys are not going to regret this. So thank you again and see y'all in the next video.